Hey friends, it's Sejal and welcome to my channel. Today let's prepare this red and black plaid Christmas wreath. To prepare this, I used the stuff from Dollar Tree and Walmart. I used this wreath and fabric cut from Walmart. Other stuff is from Dollar Tree. I cut the 4-inch strip of the fabric and this small strip to make the loop. I used glue gun and some map pins. This decoration I got from Dollar Tree. Now to start with, I took that strip and wrapped it around the wreath. While wrapping, I used little bit glue so it can stick. So it's fully covered now. And to make the loop, I will wrap that small strip around the wreath and then glue it. It just takes 5 minutes to make this and it cost me only $5. If you are making wreath for all your windows of your house, it's obviously cheap if we prepare it at home. Now I'm placing this decoration at the base of the wreath. And at the top where loop is, I'm putting this nice glittery bow. I removed that clip and gluing it. So this is it friends. Our wreath is ready and hope you enjoyed this video. Till the time, take care friends. Bye bye and happy holidays.